Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the accounts and synchronization section, and then tap add account, then select Google. You will of course need the internet connection for this operation. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi. What you have to do next is to enter your email number or phone number here. Tap next. Next, enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and for the last thing, what you have to do is tap accept here. An account will be added. Here you can see, if you want to delete it, just select it here, then tap more and remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.